it. Hey, good morning everyone. My name is Lemon and I'm a creative designer based in Manila. I design brands, web and mobile apps, marketing materials, and also I develop websites. So I always start my day with a cup of coffee. Depends on my mood, either a flat white or a pour over coffee or black coffee. So for today, I'm in the mood to go for black coffee. I'd like the coffee kasi hindi masyadong matapang, yung mild lang, yung light lang sa umaga. Gusto ko yung balance lang, sakto lang. What I love about pour-overs in general is the taste notes. These beans from Mount Apo, Davao del Sur, it's an Arabica beans. Taste notes niya ay orange zest, mixed berries, and chocolate-coated raisins. Amoy natin. Bango. So ito talaga yung mga sinisimot ko sa umaga para magising ako yung mga beans. Samahan niyo akong gumawa ng black coffee using a pour-over method. Sarap. Also, to start my day, I do also do my to-do list for today. Hindi ko to everyday ginagawa, pero if this day or that day, maraming naka-line up na gagawin and sobrang nakaka-overwhelm. So, I do to-do list every morning para ma-organize or ma-rewire yung utak ko na ano yung sequence ng mga gagawin throughout the day para properly I can handle those tasks. So, what I need lang is a notebook and a pen. So, I'd like a simple dotted notebooks. Ito talaga yung go-to notebook ko. Kasi minimal siya, simple, tapos parang blank canvas, pero may guide siya ng mga dots. So, if I draw or I do logo design, or I write, may guide ako pa rin. Hindi siya blank. I organized my to-do list into 3 sections. Morning, afternoon, and evening. Actually, yung pinaka-importante lang naman sa akin yung morning and afternoon, yung mga to-do list morning and afternoon. Kasi bandang afternoon, nandun na kasi yung momentum ko. And then, di ko na namamalayan yung oras hanggang gabi. So, minsan nag-overlap yung mga task ko from afternoon hanggang evening na. So yun yung pinaka-productive hours ko. Minsan nakaka-overwhelm, ang daming nakalist, pero disregard nyo muna yung mga hindi important. On the side lang siya. Yung pinaka-importante lang talaga yung ililista nyo. Kasi if ililista nyo lahat yon, yung mga hindi important, isasama nyo sa important, magugulhan talaga kayo. And ma-overwhelm kayo sa dami. So as much as possible, I limit it to 3 to 4 or 5 maximum each day, each time of the day. From morning, siguro maximum 5, afternoon 5 lang, and evening, sometimes I leave blank. Para, yun, focus lang kayo dun sa 10. That's how I start my day, from coffee and listing down the things I need to do today.
Sunset Boulevard with you, and I just want to take one more bite of everything and every avenue. Like cold drinks, summer nights. Let's get a little too drunk. Are you down? 'Cause I just got to move. Take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Will you meet me on the floor tonight? And it's California. I couldn't have warned you, baby. Ooh, yeah, this place just makes you, kinda makes you want to. Yeah, it makes you want to. Let's just go all in. Cause I just got to move. Take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Will you meet me on the floor tonight? And it's California. I couldn't have warned you, baby. Ooh, yeah, this place just makes you. Girl, it makes you want to.
Ayun, kakatapos ko lang sa work na ginagawa ko. So currently, I'm working on a design system. By the way, I'm a full-time design engineer in a fintech company called Perex. Perex is one of the payment gateways in the Philippines. I think familiar kayo sa mga checkout page na nakikita nyo once you check out in an e-commerce store online. So may makikita kayo doon mga payment methods. It's like cards, GCash, Maya, Shopee Pay, QRPH, online banking. So yung technology na yon, kami yung gumagawa. Yeah, ang daming kwento. Yun yung ginagawa namin sa life. So yeah, I'm a design engineer. So ano ba ang design engineer? So basically, a design engineer is some sort of a UI UX designer pero mas focused on collaboration with software engineers. So mas flexible ako to communicate sa ano yung kailangan ng customer namin in UI. And nung naging design engineer ako, dami ko natutunan from our CTO and from our software engineers. It needs to be a simple and feasible talaga and functional. Since I'm a designer, nakikita ko yung in-between or middle ground ng design and ng development. So with that, nakikita ko ano yung maganda and ano yung feasible. And with that, I need to balance the form and the function of the design, the overall design. One of the things I do is to develop our design system before gawin yung mga screens ng mga products. So I need muna to establish the foundation first, which is our design system. So this is super vital kasi it makes my designs consistent and mas pinapabilis niya yung workflow ko as a designer. Yeah, maybe I can share some of a quick process on how I build the Perex design system.
Before mag-start ng design system, you need first collect all those branding assets or brand assets. Kinolect ko muna ano yung mga brand assets, logos, colors, typographies, mga key visuals na ginagamit sa websites kasi baka magamit, ma-reuse din siya. After ma-collect lahat ng mga visuals, mga assets, brand assets ng company, ang next na gagawin mo naman is to define the variable and styles. You need to set those variables kasi yun yung gagamitin mo pagdating sa actual design. So yeah, medyo technical to pero ganito ko siya ginagawa. Yun yung purple, kung ginawa ko siyang mga variables. For example, gagawa ka ng buttons. I need a white text, pare, learn more na lang. Learn more. So, and then, I need this a color white. Dito, sa fill ng Figma, ma-search ko na yung white kasi yun yung na-set ko na dito. So, white. And then, gusto ko na-contain siya sa purple. So, auto layout. And then, lalagyan ko siya ng fill. And then, siset ko na as purple 500. And then, yan. Yun yung gamit ng variables para habang nagde-design ka, meron ka ng standards ng color, standard ng numerical value ng spacing, numerical value ng round corners when you design things here in Figma. And then, actually, marami pa siya. Pwede rin yung fonts. So, yung fonts naman, ang ginagamit ko, nasa styles siya. So, sa styles ko, meron akong iba't ibang values. So, I want these headline text na maging text medium 2XL. So, naka-medium siya na 2XL yung size. Yun, mapapabilis yung paggawa ko talaga because I have a set of those values na sa colors, sa size, sa spacings, and the fonts. Third part is to develop the reusable elements and components. I'll give you a tour about the elements and components. So these are the elements ng Perex. So labels, fields, drop down, checkbox and radio button. Yun yung mga elements. And then, components naman yung calendar, filter, loading state or skeleton layout, form, sidebar, breadcrumbs. Di ba? Ang dami.
So now, I need to use that to the UIs na. So before that, I do muna a sitemap para alam ko ano yung mga screens na gagawan ko ng designs. So this is a parang overview lang na parang okay, from website, marketing website, maglo-login si user. So yung user flow, i-absorb ko muna as a designer. Tapos, from that user flow, i-identify ko ano yung mga kailangan ng mga screens. Like for example, from marketing website, may login button linked to the login or get started page. And then once mag-get started and papasok si user sa dashboard, ano yung tsura ng dashboard, and then ano yung iba't ibang screen under dashboards, homepage, payments, settings, etc. Chine-check ko ano yung pwedeng i-pattern na mga screens. Hindi lang kasi yung element and component yung pwedeng ma-reuse pati yung mga screens din Like for example, listing. So may listing din na kailangan sa iba't ibang mga screens. Based from that list na na-identify ko na and alam ko na okay, gagawan ko to ng pattern. Doon ko na gagawa ng definition and standards. Ganito yung ginagawa ko sa definition and standard. And very useful to. Actually, one of the software engineer yung nagsabi sa akin na you need to create a definition and standard. Iba-iba kasi yung mga software engineers na nakaka-work ko And para then, if ever na iba yung gumagawa na software engineer, nag-guide siya kahit wala ako na nagdi-discuss in person or online. Itong basis niya para gawin yung work niya. So, ganito yung ginagawa ko. Actually, based din pa rin to sa mga predefined components, predefined variables and styles, pero detailed version siya nun. And pinapakita ko rin dito ano yung mga examples and saan siya ginagamit. Ang sakop nito, both desktop and hanggang mobile. So, as you can see, pinapakita ko rito yung mga examples, like for example, ano yung ginagamit na standard spacing, ano yung ginagamit na standard color, and ano yung magiging adjustment ng mga spacings and sizes na yun in different screens like tablet and mobile. Tapos, ito yung mga iba't ibang example na mga patterns na for example sa module titles and buttons. Yung sa heading, sa header. Ini-standard ko siya. Like for example, ano yung proper use of buttons and then saan siya ginagamit in different screens. So with that, in-identify ko na or which screens usually ginagamit. Tapos ano yung mga spacing pa rin and then paano siya nagre-respond. Yeah, paano ko siya ina-apply pagdating sa design. I'll give you an example. So for example, I want to design another module. Yung design system na ginawa ko, napunta siya dito. Parang pinublish ko siya as design system. And then from that, andito lahat yung mga yon. So for example, I need a sidebar. So lalabas na yan dito. So yan yung sidebar. And then I need a top bar. Basically yan yung mga mga components na yun. Tapos lagay natin sa isang yan. Tapos I need a title. Diba? Ang bilis. Drag and drop na lang siya. Ayan. Bilis, diba? Ganun kabilis if na-establish mo na yung design systems nyo. Yeah, sana marami kayong natutunan dito sa very technical side of my work. Kahit medyo complex siya, medyo mahirap siya gawin. I love it. I love doing it. And nag-enjoy ako doing these designs and super dami ko pang kailangan matutunan with the help of my mentors, with the help of my coworkers, with the help of syempre myself na matuto on my own. And yeah, I'm super happy na ginagawa ko to and super grateful for the opportunity na I'm doing a design system, I'm doing UI designs, I'm doing product designs, and we're helping businesses to properly manage their payments online. And yeah, I'm super proud of our work.
Dissidents, all who's left around you, can't be the chief without a VP. Resonance, I'll be